This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Liberto. Cozy home in nice park, friendly residents and handy location. 4 blocks to bus line. Close to Clackamas Town Ctr, Costco, FWY. Sale includes range west/self-cleaning oven, refrigerator, washer, and dryer, central air conditioner/heat pump. Great room kitchen and living room. Eating bar and dining nook. Handicap bars and bath. Exterior in good condition. Interior needs updates. Nice sized backyard. Close to parks. To be sold as is. For more information, review the details below or contact Liberto at 503-666-2020.